Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Phaver token. Ticker symbol is social. Now it was just announced that this token is getting a very big central exchange listing coming September 24th on a very big central exchange. This is a huge project. You can see their Twitter in the corner of the screen here. It has 312,500 Twitter followers. Very popular project. We're going to go over the information on the Phaver token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the full name of the token on their base scan is Phavercoin, all one word. Phaver is spelled P-H-A-V-E-R. And their ticker symbol is social. So this is on the base chain, Coinbase's blockchain. You can find them on basescan.org. 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 400 million social tokens. Now, they have a Telegram you could follow at Phaver DAO. 33,293 members on there. 1,401 of them are online. It says powered by Lens Protocol. They also have a Discord, discord.gg/Phaver. You could check that out as well. And then their Twitter, like I said, I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen here as usual. Gold verified checkmark at Phaver app, 3,208 tweets, 312,000 Twitter followers. And it was just announced, it says Phaver app is the leading decentralized social app that allows users to secure their profiles on Lens Protocol and Farcaster and cross-post across these networks. And this token will be listed, a new listing alert. Social paired with USDT will be listed in the Innovation Zone September 24th at 10 a.m. UTC time on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search social on September 24th, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token here, you can check out all their socials, the Discord, the Telegram, the Twitter. They also have a web page. And on their webpage, they have a full document section. So their webpage is phaver.com, real easy to find that. And then it'll take you over to phaver.gitbook.io. So it says, Phaver is a Web3 social app purpose-built for the permissionless and non-custodial ecosystem of the next-gen internet. Phaver app allows cross-posting and combining reach and reactions from Lens Protocol and Farcaster. Its upcoming native social token works as an integral part of the ecosystem. Phaver's position as the leading multi-protocol social app paves the way for novel utilities. So it says social capital, followers, activities, and post quality. Social graph, Lens, Farcaster, Mocha, POAP, etc. On-chain capital, existing qualifying NFTs, and social token rewards. So, the users also benefit from various partner projects, offerings including Mocha ID, Pudgy Penguins, Cyber, etc., where many future whitelist drops and other cross-platform and ecosystem benefits. Debuted in May 2022 during Lens Protocol's mainnet launch, Phaver's mobile app allows anyone to sign up with familiar Web2 logins and no wallet, enabling onboarding users to Web3 step by step. After starting their journey, the users can share posts to blockchain social networks like Lens on zk-Sync and Farcaster on Ethereum and Optimism. Have full ownership of one's social graph with a blockchain-based immutable backup, showcase one's NFT collection, and accumulate points and cred. Use various other on-chain assets to prove authenticity and credibility. Create gated communities based on various rules and on-chain assets. Wallet-to-wallet direct messages via XMTP. It says, to date, Phaver's app has received more than 550,000 downloads and accounts for a majority share of Lens protocol posts and is the largest external app as well on Farcaster. Also, 250,000 plus wallets with a total value exceeding $200 million have been connected to Phaver cred. As an early pioneer of Web3 social, the platform is designed to help users cultivate their reputations within and across decentralized social networks, rewarding them with off-chain points for each constructive contribution they make to the platform. The points are convertible to tokens after the token generation event. Phaver's goal is simple: deliver the most relevant feed for each user through incentivized curation and digital reputation. Together with its community and partners, Phaver's vision is to capture the opportunity to build a more user-owned social network. So it shows the difference between Web2 socials and so basically governance, value accrual, content creators, social stack ownership, business incentives, compared to Web2 socials are centralized, profit-centric, proprietary, winner-takes-all, and maximize engagement. So they do have a roadmap on here as well, starting with cross-protocol direct messages with XMTP, Phaver community upgrades, Point Economy 2.0 with faving and more dynamic gamified daily rewards, launch of the Phaver Up NFTs Genesis Edition, Farcaster cross-posting integration, social token airdrop Season 1, Farcaster comments and channels, Farcaster and Lens full sync, language auto detection and filtering, wallet, in-app wallets, one-click creation, Web3 native ads served via frames, Phaver perks portal, more features, and to use points and the social tokens, and then it just goes on from there. It keeps going. So you can check out the full roadmap on phaver.gitbook.io, and you can find this token newly listed soon on Mexc Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.